how to reduce heating issues and improve battery backup for Poco phone. I'm going to give you some tips to improve your battery backup and reduce heating. First one, you must use original charger and adapter which comes with Poco phone because it's mandatory to getting good ampere level. So you must use both a cable and adapter. And one more thing which is important, I suggest you don't use mobile while charging on time. Coming to mobile cases, don't use mobile cases which releases overheating like this. So you can use cooler pad for Poco phone. There is lot of cooler pads available in Flipkart and Amazon. Search and buy it. Then mobile, you just install one application, it's called Dev Check. I given in description, get the link and download the application. So this application is about device info, everything is about mobile, so temperature also. So open the application, battery section. So here my temperature is 38 centigrade, so 38, so it's normal. So more than 50 is danger, more than 70 is too danger. So keep your mobile to 38 to 45 or 38 to 50, it's better. Then use custom kernel like Lauren and Silvercore Plus because which gives more battery backup and reduce heating issues. There is lot of kernel is available in XDA ports, so we just download and flash it through TWRP recovery. So it's better option to improve your battery backup. And then go to settings, battery and performance section. Here automated task, just click add button, set add condition, select when battery reaches a certain level, so fix which level you want. So I'm going to fix 17, 16, I'm going to fix 25 and OK. Then click the tick mark top of right corner and choose add actions. If you are choose these options, like means battery comes 25 below 25% or 25%, so your action will execute. Bluetooth off, auto brightness off, screen brightness, set your screen brightness when charging is low to 25, so clean memory. So select the tick mark top of the right corner, then here it's enable task, so just enable it. This is better option to getting escape from battery draining. Then reduce screen timeout, so go to lock screen and sleep, set 15 seconds, 2 minutes long, so set 15 seconds. And go to display, so turn off auto brightness. So this option gives battery backup. And then coming to notification, so just disable notification from unwanted applications, which one you don't want to use, so just disable it. So I'm going to disable this one, this one, this one. Then coming to live wallpaper, stop using live wallpaper because it's getting more heating and overcharging. So I suggest you to don't use these type of live wallpapers. That's all. Keep following all I mentioned before. These are all from my point of view. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching.